Hello everyone, it's Monica here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this beautiful purple world collection designed by Monica, Crafting with Quilling Lady. And she designed a paper collection, quite big one, in her favorite color, which is purple. As you can see on the front cover, there are lots of beautiful design papers. There are 14 A4 papers, 196 elements to fussy cut, 12 floral wreaths, sentiments, and 5 digi stamps. So there is a lot of things in this collection. She has one big collection including all those elements. She also has different smaller bundles, so I'm going to link everything below the video so you can check it out. And we are sharing some inspirations. So Monica and Katarina, they already started sharing inspirations with this collection, and I'm joining in with this a beautiful, fantastic collaboration. So thank you, Monica, for allowing me to work with this collection. And I'm going to link Katarina and Monica at the end of this video and in the description box. So I'm going to include this collection and those small bundles as well. So let me show you what I've got in front of me. It's not a full collection. I've got only few sheets which I know I'm going to use, but I will definitely print some more. So it's up to you if you go for the full collection or smaller bundles, so you can check it out. As you can see, these are design papers. These are elements for fussy cutting. There are 2 sheets of wreaths, sentiments on a white background, a purple and black background, and these are the digi stamps. I did not print off those yet, but I will later on. So I'm going to show you very quickly some of the design papers. As you can see, these are having beautiful flowers, and I love flowers, I love leaves. And what I'm really super excited about this collection is the flowers and the leaves actually, and elements for fussy cutting, because I love cutting out elements and I love using them. There is a bundle with add-ons, so these are like plain papers. She included some polka dot papers, so you can check that out as well. And these are some of the elements for fussy cutting. So as you can see, beautiful flowers, and some of them they've got leaves as well. Some of them are without, and there are sheets with beautiful leaves. So you can see these are beautiful, you can see shading and everything. So these are really fantastic for to cut out and to keep them handy, and I love those. These look like vintage leaves, and I think you will love to use them, I'm sure, and I will definitely be cutting them out and using in my projects. So these are the 2 sheets of wreaths. As you can see, there are 6 of each, 6 on each page and they are all different. As you can see, they've got similar flowers, but they are all different wreaths. I'm just looking, they look a bit similar, but the design is slightly different. And this is the one sheet I've got in front of me with sentiments. So as you can see, these are on a white background. You can have a look what kind of sentiments she included in this collection. So these are the papers I've got in front of me. That's the front cover, and I will show you step-by-step tutorial for one card using this fabulous collection. So let me prepare everything and I will be back. So I'm going to do a double Z fold card. So I cut out card base measuring 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 square, and I'm going to score it at 2 7/8. So let me do that. Just push it this way. 2 7/8. So it's like you have to score it in half, that front. And then I've got another piece of it's actually from the one sheet of A4, so I think from one sheet you can create one card. And this one, as you can see, measures 2 1/4 by 5 3/4, and again I need to score it at 2 7/8. So let me do that as well. And then we're going to decorate our card. So you create a Z fold. Let me just, I'm going to erase those pencil marks later. So this is how you're going to put this card together. And this way you can see that you've got double Z fold card. So let me cut those design papers, and I'm going to adhere to this card. So I've got my card base and everything is ready to decorate it. So let me start off with this inside panel. So this one measures, oh, I didn't write it. It's 5.5 inch by 5.5. It's 1/4 of an inch smaller than my base, because as I said, my base is 5 3/4 square inch. So that's the mat. So I'm using that purple paper from the add-on, or if you're going for the full bundle, then it's going to be in the full bundle. So that's the first step. I love this color, it's so nice. And then we need two pieces measuring 2 5/8 by 5.5. So this one goes here, and the same piece goes here. So let me add here those two. So if you want, you can write those measurements if you want to do exactly the same card. And it would be nice if you could share your makes with this collection on social media. Tag Monika or tag any of us, and maybe Monika will create a hashtag for this collection, hopefully. So you could share and we could comment on your posts or on your social media. So yeah, it would be nice to see what you're going to create, because those colors are so pretty and I just love it. I think this collection is just super fantastic because of the colors and design as well. So I cut this panel, which I'm going to add on the front. I'm not going to add design paper in the center, but I want to add this one, and this one measures 2 inches and 3/8 by 5 1/4. So you can write that one as well. Of course, it's 1/4 of an inch smaller than the previous layer. And as you can see, it works so well with this light purple underneath. You could go for more contrasting paper, but it's how I picked those. It wasn't easy to pick design papers which I wanted to use, because they are also pretty, and it's such a big choice. So let me decorate the small Z fold. So first I've got this one, which measures 2 inches by 5.5. So let me add here this one, 2 inches by 5.5. So that's the first element, and then I've got those two small ones. So again, 2 inches by 2 5/8, and this one is going to be the same. It's going to go on that side. Again, I'm going to add here this one, just here. And you can see that everything works very well with this design. So, and I will add here one more piece, which is this one. It's exactly the same as the one here on the left. So this one measures 1 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/4. So I'm adhering this one, and then we can start to put this card together. We can join those two pieces together. So you have to make a Z fold and add it, and it's up to you. You can make it higher, in the center, lower. It's all up to you. I will do as I always do, roughly around this area. So I think this one will be just right. So let me just make sure that it's straight. I'm going to use my mat to adhere it straight. So So now we've got the Z4 card and it's time to decorate it. So I'm going to bring all the fussy cut element which I prepared, and I will decorate the front of the card. So as you can see, I've got some elements ready. So I cut this one, the background in that purple paper, and I use white cardstock to cut this one, and I use this Baroque oval from Crafter's Companion, so that's what I'm going to use. And what I did, I added some foam pads, so I'm going to adhere it to my front of my card, and I will add those beautiful flowers and leaves and sentiments to finish off my card. So I hope it will look really pretty. I know it's going to be really pretty because the papers are so beautiful. So that's the front, and I cut out this fantastic sentiment which says another year, another adventure. I really like that one, and I think I'm going to place it over here. So let me maneuver those leaves, and I think by shaping them you give them nicer look. So that's what I'm going to do. Going to adhere this one here and this one on the other side. I love those vintage leaves, and I think they will be suitable for so many different projects, and I can't wait to use more of them. And then I'm going to use those two flowers, and I'm going to raise them on foam pads, I think. Just don't want to place them flat because if you watch my videos, I love to add dimension to my projects, and that's what I'm going to do with this one. So this one will have only one layer of foam pad. So let me adhere this one just a bit higher over here. And then I'm going to add a double layer of foam pad on this one. So you need to remove that backing paper. Add another layer just to raise it a little bit more. And then this one will go over here. And this way I will have this beautiful dimensional look to this card, and as you can see it looks really pretty. You could add more flowers, but I think I want to see more of that oval shape because it's really pretty, and I don't want to overdo it. So this way I've got nice space for my sentiment which will go here. So let me, of course I added some foam pads off camera, and let me add here that one. So I love those colors, and I love those elements for fussy cutting. So I hope you will like it too. And yes, I'm really looking forward to see your project with this collection. So yes, if you're going to use it, please let me know so I can check it out and comment. And I was thinking to add some gems because of course I want to add something sparkly. So let's see if I can use maybe this glitter glue, my favorite. I'm going to add it in the center of those beautiful flowers, and this way it will give that very nice look. Let me see if you can see it. So yeah, you can see a little bit of sparkle over here. And I was thinking to add some more, but I think I will leave it as it is. If I will know who's going to receive this card, I might add some other embellishments, maybe a bow, but for now I'm really happy with this card, and I love Z4. You can see this card looks this way, and of course on the reverse you've got space to write your message, or you can actually, if you want, you can create a pocket here in this section and put like a tag with your wishes if you want. So I hope you like this collection. Let me know what do you think about this. Let me bring back that front cover so you can see. So this is the front cover of Monika's collection. As you can see, the papers, the elements to fussy cut, the wreaths, sentiments, and these beautiful DIGI stamps. So let me know what do you think about this collection. What do you think about this step-by-step tutorial for this double Z fold card? I love purple. Do you like purple? Maybe you do. If yes, then go over to my description box below this video to check out all the links and where you can get this collection, because you can get full collection, smaller bundles, you know, there is a lot of different options. You can have a look and pick whichever is most suitable for you. So thank you so much for watching. I will be back with another tutorial with this beautiful collection. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, write me some comments, and press that notification bell so you're not going to miss any more videos from me. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.